Hi all. We're making mac and cheese. Show them how to do them, huh? Boil water.
Yeah, boil water.
Show them the water. See, we got a pan of water. It don't matter how much water you got in there. We're only gonna cook macaroni. So you can fill up the pan, you know. Wait for it to boil, right? So we're just gonna make one of these. Just got everything you need. It's got all kind of stuff that you can add to it, but we don't bother. So
But it takes longer to cook this one than it does that macaroni.
but what we do add, we add some macaroni to it. So usually you wait for the water to boil.
It's almost boiling.
But it's close enough, she's saying. Okay. And then, did you already take the packet out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, so inside here there's a packet of cheese. And,
I measured that once. It's another whole cup.
okay, so that's 3 cups of macaroni. That's probably too much. So cook that for 15 minutes. Or until the noodles are soft. You know, just after 10 minutes or so, use a spoon and take a couple noodles out, run them under cold water and test it, see if they're chewable. Don't cook the noodles too much. If you cook them too much, you'll just have mush. So leave them just a little hard, because even after you take them off the burner, they'll keep cooking. You can do other things to it if you want. Add milk, add more cheese.
1/4 of a cup of milk and 1/4 of a cup of butter or margarine.
Okay, so you don't have to add the milk, but you do have to add the butter. So
It makes it more juicy if you add the milk.
but it spoils faster too if you add the milk. Okay, so we'll worry about that when we get there. Okay, so we'll let the macaroni cook and we'll get back to you here in a bit.
Yeah, you have to stir it because it settles to the bottom.
Yeah, every minute or two you have to stir it up. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Okay. Okay, so this is done. We're gonna go ahead and drain it now. Okay, so sometimes I just use this. You know, I just put this on here and strain it. You just have to hold it real tight, you know. Plus it kind of gets hot. Don't rinse it with cold water because you want the noodles to be hot when you put the cheese in and stuff like that. Okay, I think I picked that up at TJ Maxx for $5. If you have a strainer, that works best. You know, go get a stainless steel strainer for $20, Walmart. You know, it'd be best if you went and got a stainless steel one because the plastic is melting on here if you put something hot in it. You don't have to get carried away with it. And then as far as this stuff goes, you don't have to measure it. Just kind of throw some in it. Mix it up. You have to make sure the butter melts. It doesn't just sink to the bottom. That's all there is to it. That's all you really have to do. If you want to add more stuff to it, you can.